check it out. I'm not in Dr. Sparkles today. I'm actually up in Michigan at a family reunion, but I've got a kayak, I've got a frog, and we got a bunch of lily pads out here, and we're gonna see if we can catch some big old bass in Michigan. Let's go. Oh my goodness gracious, my oh my. That was a giant. Oh, I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Just got blown up on the frog. Let's see if we can get her. Oh, there we go. There we go. On the top water, big old explosion. Switched up to the mega bass popper. Wasn't getting any action on the frog, so I switched up to this little smallmouth bass popper. And bam, squirrel, got it done. Look at that little finesse popper action right there. Nice little mega bass popper bass. There we go. The fish came up and just blasted it. A little bit of grass down below, maybe 3 feet below the surface, and I was throwing that frog, that 6 cents frog, up in the lily pads. I was throwing that 6 cents frog up in the lily pads, and I had one blow up, and I was cruising, nothing really. So I decided to switch it up to this little mega bass popper frog. Threw it out in the middle where the grass is about 3 to 4 feet down. I figure these fish are sitting in the grass right now. It's pretty sunny, looking up, and that guy just came up and bagaloshed it. There's a big blow over it. Oh, you hit it again. Oh, that bird's trying to eat it. That bird's trying to eat it. No way. That was cool. There's another one. Small. She's a small one. She wanted that popper. There she is. What's up, little thing? What's up, little thing? Get you back. Find where your mama's at. Oh my gosh, as soon as it hit the water, it freaking smacked it. Just gotta ski him in. There he is. Man, I switched up again. It seems like they're just a little bit outside of these weeds. Get a little bit of line out here. Whoa! Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There you go. All right, he's pinned up. Got both hooks in him. Got a leech in his mouth too. I don't know if y'all can see that. I've been catching a lot of bass lately, not only up here, but down in Texas as well. Catching a lot of bass, ouch, with leeches in their mouth. I don't know if you guys can see that one. One's got a leech in his mouth too, right there. All right, let me get this guy back. That last fish I caught, as soon as it hit the water, he just ripped it. Working with some super clear water. These fish can see in the water and outside of the water too as well. So when that bait's coming down from the sky, they're seeing it drop in. As soon as it drops in, they hit it because they know that that's the best time that they can ambush whatever they're getting. If they let it sit for a second, that thing, whatever it is, whether it be a bird dropped a frog or a bird dropped a fish, that fish is going to realize it's back in the water, start swimming. So when those fish see that bait hit the water, they take advantage of it. Ooh, there we go. Another little guy. What's up, little dinker? Damn, boy. Look at you. Being all high and mighty. Barely got him on that back trouble. Another pretty fish. Peace. Dominant. Oh, there we go. Not a big one. Another dink. This is fun though. This is fun. What we got? A little largie. You gonna dance? You gonna dance? No, get up. Got him on that back treble again, barely hooked. Barely hooked. All right, guys, thanks for watching the little kayak fishing trip out in Michigan. We are back in the garage in Texas. We're getting ready for next week. Gonna be fishing for some big ones, some swim baits, some deep water fish. It's summertime here. It's hot, 100 degrees. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell for those next videos from next week that we'll be dropping. Thanks again, y'all.